Jakaranda flower-inspired chiffon cake recipe. Have you ever wondered why the store-bought chiffon cake is so sweet? And are you ready to embark on a delicious baking journey with me? Well, I got a good news for you. You can bake your own chiffon cake, less sweet version right at home. And I'm about to share all the secrets to ensure your success. Let's get started and unveil the secrets that you will make a chiffon cake that wow your family. Make sure that you stay tuned until at the end of the video so that I can re-summarize the perfect precision recipe that make your 100% successful chiffon cake. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. First step, separate the 7-8 whites and 8 yolk. Make sure the clean bowl. Prepare 75 gram heated vegetable or canola oil. Make sure that it is heated to make the smooth batter for the chiffon cake. Next, prepare 75 ml water into the mixing bowl. Pour in the previously heated 75 gram canola oil into the mixing water. In order to do the Jakaranda inspired flowers chiffon cake, I'm going to put this 1 tablespoon ubi puree. You will see the magic happen to become purple. Next, vanilla extract for 1 tablespoon. Next, pouring in some sifted cake flour. It's around 125 gram cake flour here. Mixing in the mixture of the 7-8 yolk. Keep mixing and mixing. Look at the color. So beautifully purplish. This is the consistency that we're looking for. Interesting part is whipping the egg whites now in the large, clean and dry bowl. Beat the egg whites until they become foamy. Add the cream of tartar or lemon juice. Continue beating until soft peaks form. Incorporate 80 gram custard sugar slowly. It's approximately about 5 minutes. You will see the soft peak form towards into the middle of the mixer. That is indicating this is a stiff bake. Carefully fold the shifted flour sugar mixer into the meringue in small portions. Do not rush through. Do this gently to avoid deflating the egg whites. That is how to become a soft, airy, fluffy chiffon cake. One of the big secrets here. Alternatively, you can use spatula to gently fold the meringue into soft, fluffy, silky meringue. Prepare the chiffon cake pan. I'm using 18 cm for these 2 chiffon cake pan. Make sure that do not grease or butter into the pan. Pour in the smoky, silky batter into evenly to 2 cake pans. In the meanwhile, preheat your oven into 170 Celsius degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes while preparing this batter.
Oh, this is healthy.
And look, you can use a skewer to making sure that the surface is smoothened and make sure there's no air bubble into the cake mold. You can definitely ask your little helper to do that.
It's for cake.
Put the cake mold into the oven. Bake in 170 Celsius for about 45 minutes. Done! Look at the steamy from our oven. Last secret is invert and cool the cake pan from the oven. And make sure immediately invert a pan onto a wire rack. Once the chiffon cake is cool, use this special spatula in making sure that scrap the edges around in order to remove the cake mold. If you don't have a special tool like that, you can use the skewer or a long chopstick, making sure that you can scrape around the edges slowly and steadily. And you will see the magic happen. Turning upside down. The spatula in the middle of the cake mold and remove it. Here you go, perfect chiffon cake. This is my absolutely Jakaranda flower inspired chiffon angel cake. Let's cut it off. Take a sneak peek of one slice of this perfect chiffon cake. Oh wow, you can see how soft and airy and fluffy that is reduced 50% of the sugar than the store-bought chiffon cake. I just love this spongy sound. Let me recap my perfect chiffon cake recipe ratio, and you can see that in my blog hankery.com as well. If you like my channel, please subscribe.